Unit 3 portion. So any one of you can tell me? Yes, students. Yes, Anchal? Anchal Mittal is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anchal, can you tell me that have you seen your syllabus? So what are the contents that we are doing so far? Like this is a second online lecture.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, but still I have completed my first 2 units, and I'm working on that notification part. And
okay.
currently we are doing all those components.
Okay, I think in the last lecture you were not present, na? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you understood all those codes and everything? We have covered 4-5 topic in the last online lecture.
Yes, ma'am. I'll be covering that part too.
Okay. Okay. Or okay. This is your first lecture after your sessional. Before this lecture, today you were not having any type of a lecture, na? Before this mad lecture.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I just want to share one information with you, whatever the subjects you are having, okay, like you are having 5 subjects, so your concerned teacher will be taking one extra class, okay. So whatever the subjects you are teaching in this particular semester, so every subject teacher will be taking one extra lecture to discuss your problems. So like if you are having your mad lecture today on Tuesday, so I just discussed with your that particular CR that like after 2 p.m. With a break after a break of half an hour or a 1 hour break at 3 o'clock we can start with another lecture. Okay, so in that lecture you can discuss problems with us. तो वो मैं आपसे लिंक शेयर कर दिया करूंगी and we can have discussion on that particular lecture only. This will be benefit for you also, especially for that coding part, that if anything that you feel like you want to share your screen with us or there is something error. So as you know that in the lecture time, we are just discussing and we are just covering up all those content of your syllabus. So if you feel like any problem during this implementation part, okay, so we can discuss that particular thing in your that particular lecture. Yes, Kamlesh, any problem?
Hello.
Yes, Kamlesh.
Ma'am, is it compulsory to attend the extra lecture?
No, it is a sort of compulsory. If you are having any problem, you can discuss in that particular lecture. The main motive of this lecture is this only, that you can discuss anything extra you want to discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
So sometimes what happens, like from the other student experience, you can also gain something. So if somebody is having some problem, you may face that problem later on in your that projects or anything you are discussing in that particular subject.
Okay.
Okay. So students, shall we start with today part? So I hope you are clear with this particular portion. So I will discuss with Abhinav and Gagan afterwards at what time will suit us. Okay. So, and we will plan out all those things accordingly. Fine.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anchal.
Ma'am, do we have that scheduling from today?
Not from today. आपको पहले तो पता नहीं था, and your sessionals are also being able to just finish yesterday only. So we can start with the next week.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, students. Today what we will discuss, like I just show you the content, that whatever the topics that we will be discussing in today's lecture. So yeah, as you know that for today's lecture, I have arranged all these 5 concepts that we will be implementing. One is your image switcher, action bar will be there, and horizontal bar, and we will discuss 3 types of a bar that we used in this Android part. Okay, so I hope you have received all those notes related to the first online lecture. Yes, Sharan is there. Sharan is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sharan, I have shared one drive with Abhinav. Abhinav, you have disseminated that particular drive?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, so in that particular drive, if you see, open that particular folder over there, you can get all the source code and that particular PPT is there. So
Yes,
as you know that we don't have any specific book for this particular part subject. So I'm just trying to share all those content with you. ठीक है? So
Yes.
आपने कर लिए सारे implement वो कि नहीं अभी सेशनल के कारण?
नहीं मैम, अभी लास्ट लेक्चर वाला इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करा था.
Okay, so I just give you a time. That's why in today's lecture also I'm just discussing some of the concepts that is not so much complex. So you just compile, you just cover up all those things during this particular week only, so that on Tuesday we can discuss any problem if you are having in this particular subject. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, students. So I will start with the first part, that is the image switcher part over here. So I just show you one PPT regarding that image switcher, and I just want to use that particular this image switcher. So if you remember in the last lecture, so my screen is visible now. Yes, I am sharing my screen. So what basically an image switcher is. So if you remember in the last lecture, we have used that image view. So any one of you can tell me that what is that image view?
It is basically used to provide that particular image.
Okay. Just to make that image available on your screen. Okay. So in that case, we use the concept of image view. So what is an image switcher? That allows you that how we can move from one image to another. Okay. So how transition between the images is possible, that is done with the help of this image switcher bar. Okay. So
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who is this? Yes, Harleen Singh. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so please mute your mic, okay? So what is an image switcher? Image switcher, as the name implies, that we need to switch between the different images, okay? So we need to have transition from one image to the another image. So in that case, we use the concept of a image switcher. So simply what we need over here, that we need to implement that particular image switcher component in our XML file, like we were using that image view. Clear? So what we do over here, like we will be showing that particular portion, like whatever the images that we need to use in our this particular application. So we simply copy all those images in this drawable part. So ये चीज हमने image view में भी किया था, that whatever the image we need to show, we need to just copy that particular image in the drawable part, drawable folder in this Android part. So let's suppose now again what we are doing over here, we will be using two tags over here. One is the image switcher part and the another part is your button. So what I want, that when I will click on that particular button, okay, so some image will show, and when I will again press that button, next image will be displayed on that. So basically what we are doing over here, we are just providing the animations part. Okay, so we are just giving some for sort of a animation, or we are just having transition from one image to the another image. So for this particular portion, we require a set factory method, okay, that will provide us the implementation of view factory interface. So view factory is what? This is an interface that will be implemented by for the implementation of this view factory interface, we require the set factory method. So what will happen, that view factory interface will implement its unimplemented method and it will return some image view to you. So view factory is basically provides us that it will tell us that how whatever the methods that is not implemented, because we were not using any type of image over there, and it will provide us all those interface methods that we need to implement, and after that we can return that particular image view. Okay, so what we will do, we will just simply in the Java case, what we want, there will be two steps that will be important, that we will need to create an array of images. Earlier, what was happening in the case of image view, we were using only single image over there. Okay, but now we will create an array of that particular image. ठीक है. So we will create an array of that particular image over there, and after that we will just provide the position of that particular image. ठीक है. So we will be giving the position of all those particular image on the screen. Finally what will happen, we will this is the second step. First step is what, that we need to copy all those images in the form of an array. We will be using that all the, you can see this is the array. So we have used the name of this image IDs as a array name, and we are just transferring all those images over here. ठीक है. And next हमारे पास क्या है, we just use that particular image switcher, we use that set factory method. ये हमारे पास set factory method है, that will use that view factory, that will implement all those method of this view factory method. तो finally क्या होगा, that we will need to see all those images on our current screen. Get application context, that will show that particular image on your screen over here, and after that we will be providing the scaling type of that image, and finally we will return that image view. Okay. Third thing that is important in the case of image switcher is that we need to use that animations over here. Okay. So like we need to move left side, or we will move to the right side. In that case we require this animation utilities over there. Okay. And finally we will setting the animation type to the image switcher. तो हम इसका जो भी animations we are using over here, we will pass the object of that particular animations to the image switcher over here. Fine. So this is how we can deal with this image switcher over here. And finally, how many number of images we are having in an array, it will just move to that particular image part. Finally, it moves to the final current index when it will reach the maximum site over here. Okay. So I just tell you that how we can implement this particular code over here. So before that, I just show you the output, that whatever how this image switcher will be working upon. And I just try ki, okay. So I just tell you. So like this is your okay. So like this is your image. I am pressing this next button over here, and you will get some another image over here. Is there some issue in my net? Yes. Okay. And again I will press this next, and you can see some another image. So this is the concept of a image switcher. I hope this is clear to you. Yes, student. Kindly let me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So understood that what basically image switcher is. So I just show you that particular. I just implement that particular content. Like what we need to do over here. Like let's suppose. So let's suppose like we are having these 2-3 images over here. I just select all these images. Okay. And I just copy this image, and I move to this okay. So इसमें I just go to this resource part, and I will move to this drawable folder over here, and I just right click this drawable folder over here, and I save all these images. ठीक है, ये आपने इमेज व्यू वाला कहीं पर किया है इस चीज को? हैव यू इम्प्लीमेंट दैट इमेज व्यू? हेलो स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see you are having all those images set over here. ठीक है, तो I was just simply implement copying my all those images over here. अब finally अब मुझे इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Like I just show you, like we will start with this particular portion and I just contain I will use two widgets over here. One is your button and the another part is your image switcher. So we are having private. ठीक है, so we are having image switcher. Okay, then next is I use simple image switcher. ठीक है, so this is one of your image switcher over here and next I am using some button. I just show you that how we can use this particular, basically we require 3 steps over here. Okay, so that you remember that whatever the steps we require. So first is that we need to create the arrays of that particular images. Fine, so alt enter. I'm just importing their classes. Okay, and after that I am just having the array of that images over here. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या है? I just create the array over here int image id Okay, so okay, so whatever the name of that particular image is there, I will give that particular name over. I'm just passing my names over here. So where my images are available on this particular platform, that is r dot drawable and the name of my image, that is p1. Fine. Again there is a r dot drawable dot p2. Fine, and again we are having last one is the r dot drawable again then is dot p3. ठीक है, so we are using here the array of all those images that we need to show on our this particular application. Fine, next is that we require that we need to just maintain the count of all those images. So we are using one of the variable over here, that is int count equal to, that is image id dot length. So we will be using one of the method that is dot length over here. Fine, and we will just keep the current index of image id. So we will use we just initialize that current index equal to -1. Clear? So these are the main prior subjects that we require, that before adding all those images over here. Okay, so what we want, we just need to maintain the array of all those images, and we will pass this particular current index over here. So next thing is that what we require over here, that we will now get the references of all those button and image switcher. So before going further, I just use that particular button and image switcher over here. So I just use one of the buttons. So just to save time, I am just saving all this content over here. ठीक है, तो आपका टाइम थोड़ा बचेगा. I just wanted कि आपको पता लग जाए कि कौन सी चीज where we are saving each and every file and how we can use that particular thing. ठीक है, so let's suppose मैंने ऐसे this is the simply button and the image switcher that we are using over here. Fine. And the next thing is that clear. Now what we will do, we will just see that the button that is available to us. So we are having that button, we just use that particular button over here. So what we do over here, like we just simply find that particular button, that is button, what is the name of my button, that is button next. Okay, and we we need to just get the reference of that particular button. We are using equal to find view by id. Okay, so where is my id, that is r dot id dot button next. Okay, so that is button next, that is available. Fine. So ये नाम थोड़ा, that is button next only. Is it clear? Next is simple image switcher we are having over here. So that is we will be using that simple image switcher part, and we will again find its ID by using find view by ID. Okay, so that will be r dot id dot simple image switcher. Okay, so this is the ID that we need to find over here. Clear? Okay, now what will happen, we will use that view factory method. Okay, so what will that view factory method, that will create an image view object when it will be asked. Okay, so what we need to see over here, okay, what we need to pass over here is that we will be using set view factory method. So in the PPT also you have seen that why we require this set view factory, that will create the image view object. Okay, because we are using so many images over there, so we have to create one single image view, single, we can say that object that will handle all those things. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे, we will create that simple, here we can write like this, simple then is your image switcher, like here we are using simple image switcher dot set factory. Okay, so set factory is what, that is we require, that is an interface that will implement all those methods. Okay, so we will be using new view switcher Okay, so we'll be using that view switcher over here. Okay, new view switcher, and that is the view factory that will implement all those things. ठीक है, अब next हमारे पास क्या है, we have that make view that will create a new image view. Now here we will create a new image over here. You see, this is the view, this is an interface that we need to implement over here. ठीक है, तो automatically it will tell you that how we can make that particular view. So we will create a new image view and we will set its property. So how this thing is possible? We will create image view, because whatever the either we are using the concept of image switcher, but basically what we are having in this particular image switcher, that is different number of images we are having. So हम क्या करेंगे, we will be using that image view over here, and we will make one sorry, we are using image view. Okay, and we will create one object for this, that is image view, and equal to new image view. Under that, get application context. Now what this get application context will do? Can anyone will tell me? Yes, Gagan. Can you tell me what is the purpose of this get application context? Gagan is there?
Yes, ma'am. It might get the content, whatever we want to print over there.
No. Get application context will view that particular images, will show that particular images on your current screen. ठीक है? Yeah. जो भी आपकी screen होगी, जो भी आपकी screen means what? That is an activity. Okay. So आपका जो भी activity में part है, it will be shown on that particular screen over there. ठीक है? So that will be the purpose of this get application content. Again, we are having that. Okay, you understood that why we have used this image view over here. Then we need to set the scale type of this image. So we are using image view dot set, and we will use that scale type. I just write like this: set scale type. Okay. So that will set that images ki where we need to set that particular image. Like I am using image view. So we need to set that scale type dot scale type. Okay. So that is dot fit to center. So we will just using that. I need to show that images at the center part. Clear? So this is how we are using this particular set images over here. Is it fine? Yes, students. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
This is how you are setting your images over here. Okay. Now what part is left? Now we are left with the animations part. That how we need to load that particular images and how we will how we need to show that images. Either we need to swipe that images on the left part or the right part. वो सारी जब moment कौन set करेगा हमारे पास animations part करेगा. So we will be using that animations over here. Like after this closing all this part, we are having animations. Okay. And we will be using the object of that particular animations. Okay. No. TI, sorry. Animation in. So in this particular part, I can just refer that animation util. So you can see over here, we are getting this animation utils over here, and we will be loading that particular animation part. Okay. So that is from this, that is the current context, comma, Android .r.anim, and we are moving to slide okay. So this you can set over here. So I am just moving that particular part over, this sliding to the left portion. So we are using slide underscore left. Fine. So again, we can just import this particular file. So alt enter will be there. Okay. So again, I am just wrote this particular animation part that if we need to move that animations to the right portion. So I just copy this line over here. So these animations are required because you need to swipe your images. Okay. So you are just swiping your images over this left and the right portion over here. ठीक है, तो सिंपली आई कैन राइट लाइक दिस, कंट्रोल B, और इधर लेफ्ट की जगह आई कैन राइट, if I need to move that right portion, I am just making that images in the out part. So that is out underscore right. ठीक है, so this animation is for the out portion, like if we are moving that particular image to the right part. Clear? Now what will happen, now I will set this particular animation type to the image switcher. I have to give this information to my image switcher also, that I am just moving these images from like it is moving from left to right, and what pattern it will be follow. So we are giving that simple image switcher over here, simple. So image switcher is there, and we are just setting its animation, set animation, and that will be in. Okay, so I am just setting this animation as in over here. Clear? Again, sorry, here we have to mention that in part that how we are using. So we are using set in animation. Clear? So again I am having that simple image switcher. For that, okay, so I am again setting my animation type to the image switcher. So let's suppose I am using set out animation, okay, and that is the out part. Okay, so this is the basically how we are passing all those things, that how now this portion will decide upon the that how we have animation, we have allotted that animation. So what we have done, we have just declared that in and out animation, and we are loading them using the animation util class. This is your animation util class, and we are just loading that particular animation. Okay, so just to decide upon that, we are moving that images from the left or to the right part. And in this particular portion, what we have done, we are just setting that animation type to the image switcher. We are giving that information to the image switcher portion over here. Okay, now what is the next part over here, that we need some button through which we are moving that particular image. So you know that how this thing is possible, like we will be using that button next, like what was the name of my button, that is button next, and I am just setting my on click listener over here. So set on click listener, I will just pass, okay, and I am just using that. So this is also deprecated in my case, and view on click listener, okay. And here what we are doing, we are just passing, we are just giving that whatever the current image will go out and the next image will come in, okay. So that is that out is through this particular part, and in is through that particular where we are need to show that particular image on the screen, okay. So which image will, current image will go out and the next image will come in with the specified animations. So this is how we are use this particular animations part over here. Clear? So how this thing is possible, we have used as current index, like which we have mentioned above. So we have used that current index, and we are just incrementing that by 1, so that whatever the current image will go on the behalf on the very next image will that come inside that particular screen over there. Okay, so we need to check here that if the current index, so okay, so if my current index, okay, is equal to the count over here, ठीक है. So अगर मेरे पास जो current index है, that will be equal to count, that means again I am not having any further image over here, so I will set my current index we are having current index equal to, that is 0, ठीक है. तो इसमें क्या होगा, दैट सिंपल इमेज रिसोर्स जो हमारे पास है, दैट इज सिंपल इमेज स्विचर विल बी देयर. ठीक है, सो इट विल सेट दैट डॉट सेट इमेज रिसोर्स. ठीक है, तो वी नीड टू पास दैट आईडीज ओवर हियर. तो हमारी आईडीज कहां पर है, दैट इज we have that image IDs over here. So we are using array part. I am talking about the array part where my IDs are available. That is image ID. ठीक है, and we will pass that current index. ठीक है, so what basically it is doing, that it is just seeing that which current image we need to show. And as you know that in array we have given some index value to each and every image. ठीक है, so we will be using that current index part over here to just set the image in the image switcher. Fine. So I hope this is clear to you. Yes, student, this is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, this is
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो basically 3 things is required. I think some errors are there. So I just show you one of that particular program that is already we have implemented. ठीक है, तो ये भी जैसे सेम था हमारे पास, like we are having that this particular program based on that image switcher only. So what we have used over here, that we are just passing that we are just giving the arrays of that images over here, and we will see that what on using different animations over here. Okay, so that animations will tell us that which current image will come on the screen and which image will go out. Okay, so that is the part of this animation part. So 3 things you must remember in this particular image switcher part, that you need to create that array of images over here. After that, what you need to show, you just need to show that particular what type of a factory method you need to define that will set your particular image on the screen. And the third thing is that you need to show the animations portion over here that will load that particular image on your screen. And finally, we have that button part over here, that on the click of every button, you can see that current image on the screen. Okay, so this thing we have shown with the help of this particular part. I just show you that image switcher over here. So okay, so this is your next button. This is how you are setting all those images over here. So when I am clicking on this particular part, you can see that we can see all those images. So ये जो transition हो रही है ना, change हो रहा है, that is through this animation portion. ठीक है, so in is what the current image that is coming to your screen, and out is what that the current image that is going out of your screen. Okay, so at that part we are using this this animations part over here. So any doubt regarding this? See, these are all these things that we have discussed in this unit 3. This is the part of your that user interface components that you are using. ठीक है, तो आप ये सारी चीजें you can use in your project, and I hope कि अगर जितनी भी चीजें हम we are doing in this particular portion, so if you use only that particular thing only, then also you can make a very good project. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें you can utilize in your this project B part over here. So any doubt regarding this? Yes, students, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear to you, na?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, okay, एक चीज और है. So this was regarding the image switcher part over here. So next thing that we are going to discuss over here, that is the action bar. So have you seen that action bar over here? आपने कभी देखा है action bar? Yes, Anchal.
Ma'am, can we loop instead of that particular button? You could scroll.
Sorry, क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
जैसे हम यहाँ बटन यूज कर रहे हैं ना नेक्स्ट इमेज पे जाने के
हाँ
लिए,
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
तो अगर हम चाहें कि लूप चले तो वो
लूप
चल।
भी बिल्कुल चल पड़ेगी. यू कैन शो दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इन योर एक्टिविटी पोर्शन. किसी के थ्रू तो आपको वो चीज चलानी पड़ेगी ना.
बट मैम फिर वो जैसे यहाँ पे तो बटन।
नहीं नहीं, यहाँ बटन में यूज, ये तो आपको दिखाने के लिए, समझाने के लिए आई हैव यूज दैट बटन पोर्शन ना.
यस मैम।
है ना, तो आप इसको किसी लूप की फॉर्म में भी चला सकते हो.
ओके मैम।
ठीक है. ओके, सेकेंड एक और चीज है. आई जस्ट शो यू वन थिंग. ओके. Okay, now I just show you one thing over here. So you can many times you have seen this particular part. Just wait for a while. I just share my screen with you. Like this is your okay. Like this is our WhatsApp group. Okay. तो आपको ये 3 buttons दिख रहे हैं सबको? You can see these buttons over here. Yes, students. Hello, students.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay,
Ma'am.
these buttons are visible now. So you can
Yes,
see all these options are available over here. है ना? So we have this option of menu bar, like where we can decide upon that how many options, further options we can give on that particular item. ऐसे ही होता है ना? So now what is our next task is that we will be implementing this particular menu bar over here. ठीक है, इसको हम एक्शन बार की फॉर्म में करते हैं. दैट इन ऑर्डर टू परफॉर्म सम पर्टिकुलर एक्शन बार, in order to perform that particular action, we can use this action bar over here with these 3 buttons. Is it clear? So what we implement over here, that is the action bar that will tell us that whatever the options, different options we are having over here. ठीक है, तो मैं आपको I just show you one before that I just show you that one image over here. So so this is the action bar. So you can just see that how this thing is possible. So here what we will be doing over here, that we will be using this particular action bar. We will be creating one this activity over here, and these 3 buttons describes us, that is a type of a menu bar that will run across the top of the activity screen. ये जो एक्शन बार अवेलेबल है, दैट इज ऑलवेज अवेलेबल ऑन योर एक्टिविटी स्क्रीन. ये चीज याद रखना, इट इज नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन दैट फ्रेगमेंट्स पार्ट. सो एक्टिविटी स्क्रीन में जो हमारी मेन स्क्रीन होगी, इन दैट केस ओनली वी कैन यूज दिस एक्शन बार ओवर हियर. ठीक है, सो एंड्रॉइड एक्शन बार कैन कंटेन मेन्यू आइटम्स. सो ये जिसके अंदर जो आपको मैंने ग्रुप्स में दिखाई थी, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर कम अंडर द मेन्यू आइटम विच बिकम विजिबल व्हेन द यूजर क्लिक दैट पर्टिकुलर मेन्यू बटन. लाइक इस केस में this case में these are your menu items. You can define this under that menu items over here. Clear? So this is how we are using this particular part over here. So I just tell you that how this thing is implemented in this case of an Android. ठीक है, तो we will create one. I just directly start with an project so that you can understand it and everything. So I just create one project over here. So this is the code is quite simple, but there are 2-3 things that you need to remember. So action 1, ठीक है, so this is the name I have given to my this particular application. ठीक है, so before till this project gets loaded, I just tell you that what are the different things that we require over here. So what we require, the first important thing that we require in case of action bar, that we need to create a new resource file. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, we'll just move to that resources part and we will create a new Android resource file over here. ठीक है, so let's suppose I just tell you over here. So this is being synced. So you just understand that we will be creating one new resource file over here. ठीक है, and we will give that we can give any name to that particular resource file. अब ये resource file हमें क्यों चाहिए? Because we need to show different activities in the menu bar. तो हमने menu में कुछ different actions perform करके बताने हैं. So that can be under this particular menu bar. तो जो action bar है, that is the how we can perform some particular action. Menu bar is the part of that particular action bar. ठीक है, where we can show that particular different options over here. So Android action bar is a menu bar that runs across the top of the activity screen. ठीक है, so all that action bar can contain menu items which will become visible when the user clicks on that particular menu button. ठीक है, तो यही हमारा फंडा है कि इसमें मेन चीज जो इंपॉर्टेंट है, वी विल क्रिएट ए डिफरेंट रिसोर्स फाइल ओवर हियर विद द नेम menu.xml, और उस menu.xml में वी नीड टू पास ऑल दोस आइटम्स ओवर हियर जो हमारे पास यहाँ पर व्हाट्सएप में आ रहा है ना, ग्रुप इन्फो, सिलेक्ट मैसेजेस एंड ऑल दोस थिंग. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ योर दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्शन बार. ठीक है, ये आपके एक्शन बार के क्या है, दीज आर द आइटम्स, दीज आर द आइटम्स अवेलेबल इन योर मेन्यू बार. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है इस केस में, लाइक अगेन दैट इज द जावा कोड वी कैन यूज. ये मैं आपको आई जस्ट शो यू दैट डायरेक्टली हाउ वी कैन यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ठीक है, तो अब हमारे पास जैसे okay, so like we are having this project over here. Main thing that you need to remember in this case of a action bar is that go to this app bar, right click, ठीक है, go to that new part, create a new resource file. ओके, सो मैंने यहाँ पर नाम दे दिया मेन्यू. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर यू नीड टू चेंज द टाइप ऑफ रिसोर्स टाइप. तो दिस इज माय मेन्यू आइटम्स, तो मैंने मेन्यू दे दिया यहाँ पर. इज इट क्लियर? सो यू जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर, यू कैन गिव एनी फाइल नेम ओवर हियर, बट जो आपका रिसोर्स टाइप है दैट शुड बी द टाइप ऑफ रिसोर्स टाइप ओवर हियर. ठीक है, तो हमने यहाँ पर ओके कर दिया. ठीक है, सो नाउ लेट्स सपोज दिस इज योर menu.xml. You need to pass all those items that you need to show on that particular menu bar. जो आपके जो 3 buttons आ रहे हैं उसके अंदर whatever the items you are using over here, you can show under that particular items bar. ठीक है, तो हमने टेक्स्ट किया है यहाँ पर. So I just write that particular thing over here, or I just copy that particular part. So ठीक है, तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, आइटम. सो इट विल टेल यू, और वी कैन डायरेक्टली राइट इट, ओनली 2 थिंग्स वी रिक्वायर, दैट इज आईडी एंड द टाइटल पार्ट. ठीक है, तो हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया, आइटम. ठीक है, एंड देन वी हैव दैट आईडी इज पार्ट ओवर हियर एंड द दिस एंड्रॉइड पोर्शन ओवर हियर. सो आई जस्ट राइट लाइक दिस एंड्रॉइड, or I just copy all these things. ठीक है, so this is the item that you need to pass over here. So 2 things is required, one is your ID part and the second one is your title portion over here. ठीक है, और नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है, सो दिस इज द थिंग दैट यू हैव सिलेक्टेड फॉर योर मेन्यू आइटम्स. ये जो आपका मेन्यू बार है उसके अंदर डॉट्स के अंदर हाउ मेनी थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू पास, दैट इज द आइटम्स नेम यू हैव गिवन इन हियर ओवर द मेन्यू XML. सो इज इट क्लियर? Yes, students.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You understood that why we are creating this menu.xml, why we have created this new resource directory, just to
Yes,
create
ma'am.
different items on your this menu bar. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है, वी नीड टू पास दिस मेन एक्टिविटी ओवर हियर. अब इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए व्हाट वी रिक्वायर टू मेथड्स ओवर हियर. One is the on create option menu and the another part is the on option item selected. तो हमें क्या करना है, we need to inflate this particular part. जो हमारे पास हमने option menu bar बनाया है, we need to inflate. Inflate क्या होता है, attach करना. We need to attach that particular menu bar on our activity part over here. तो हमने क्या करना है, simply we will write over here like this. We will be using that public. Okay, so boolean on create. Two methods are required. One is the on create options menu. Okay, so we need to pass that particular option menu over here, on create option menu, and we will be creating the menu object of that particular menu bar. Clear? ठीक है, so this is the on create option menu. अब इसमें we are using that menu inflator. Menu inflator will be there. You can see over here. We are getting that menu inflator over here. Just to inflate that particular menu. ठीक है, on our activity screen. तो हमने क्या किया, inflator is there equal to get menu inflator. ठीक है, so that is the get menu inflator we are having over here, and after that we are just we are using that inflator. Inflator is there and we will inflate that particular where I'm now, where is my menu that I need to inflate, I need to attach that particular menu bar on my screen. तो वो मेरे पास what is the location of that particular menu.xml resource, that is resource r dot menu dot again menu. ठीक है, and finally we are having two parameters are there. You can see firstly we have to show the path over there and finally is the object. तो इन दोनों ही केस में मेरे पास ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम भी मैंने मेन्यू रख दिया है एंड द नेम ऑफ माय एक्सएमएल पार्ट इज आल्सो मेन्यू. तो मैं कैसे लिखूंगी, r डॉट मेन्यू, ठीक है, डॉट अगेन मेन्यू, दैट इज द नेम. ठीक है, कॉमा, नेक्स्ट इज द object of that menu we need to pass. Again the name is the menu only. ये same नाम है. ठीक है, so this is the same name that we have given over here. Is it clear? Yes student, this is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so we are using and finally we will be return. We have to pass that what that particular options are available or not. We are just giving that true value over here. So we are passing return true. ठीक है, boolean था तो we need to pass that particular menu bar is available to us. ठीक है, अगर available है तो वो कब show हो, that we need to inflate that particular thing when that screen is visible over here. ठीक है, now the next method that we are requiring over here is that we are having public, ठीक है, boolean. Now this is the second method that we require, on options item, on options item selected. Now in this particular group, ठीक है, अगर जो हमारे पास मेन्यू बार था, we have different options over here. तो जब कोई particular option क्लिक करें तो that particular item will be open at that time. ठीक है, दिस इज आवर फंडा ना, लाइक हियर यू कैन सी, अगर मेरे पास ये डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस है तो अगर लाइक आई क्लिक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ग्रुप इंफॉर्मेशन, तो इट इज ओपनिंग दिस इंफॉर्मेशन पार्ट. ठीक है, तो if I press some another option item selected over here, it will open some another part over here. ठीक है, तो similarly अगर जैसे ये I have selected this particular menu bar over, तो I just like I need to exit or any other option that I need some messages, I need to select some messages over here, तो ये option खुल जाएगी, you can select over here. ठीक है, तो how this thing is possible, because we are using that on options created or that we are using on option item selected, so we are selecting some particular options over here. ठीक है, so we have on options item selected, and here we have to define what type of a item we are having. We are having menu item, so we are deciding upon menu item, and we are using one object for that, that is item over here. Clear? ठीक है, अब हमने क्या simply what case we are using different switch case over here. So we are using switch over here. Just simply, why we use switch cases? Just to select upon different items we are having. So we are having switch item dot get item ID. ठीक है? So again we are having this switch item dot get item ID. So item is what? This is the object name for this. ठीक है? And get item ID we are having over here. ठीक है, so it will select for that ID. So now where it will get that ID from here? आप ID इसमें दे रहे हो ना? So what ID you are giving over here? Like settings, about, and the contact. These are the 3 IDs that you have given for this particular items over here. ठीक है, and rest is the title that you are defining. So I am not using the titles over here. I am using the IDs over there. ठीक है, so finally what we will do, that we will use that particular ID over here. So what is the case? Case as R. Now what is this R over here? That is a resource file. R dot ID dot settings. ठीक है, so this is the ID that you are passing over here. So simply मैं इसमें क्या कर रही हूँ? I am using this column over here. I am just passing some toast message over here. ठीक है, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Like आपने देखा, when I clicked on that particular group information, some another जो पार्ट है वो ओपन हो गया हमारे पास. ठीक है, तो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन you are showing something, you are starting some different activity over here. So ये सारी चीजें आप उसके अंदर कर सकते हो. तो I am just simply using that toast message over here. Toast dot make text. ठीक है, and first is the this, that is your current screen. ठीक है, then is a click me, like message I need to pass. ठीक है, and the third parameter, as you know that we are having toast dot length. ठीक है, underscore long. Okay, ठीक है, length, so we have to write like this, length, ठीक है, underscore long. Fine. So this is how we are using this toast message, and finally we need to show that particular message over here. Is it clear? ठीक है, and we will return, as this particular case is there, we will return some true value over here. Why true? Because we are showing in the form of this, we have given that return type in the form of a boolean part. ठीक है, return true over here. Student, this is clear? Yes, students. Please let me know.
Yes,
this
Yes,
part is
ma'am.
clear
Yes,
to you.
ma'am.
हाँ, so we are simply
Yes, ma'am.
using all those cases over here. ठीक है, तो हमने किया क्या है, हमने simply एक cases को use करके, ठीक है, तो ऐसे similarly I can make another cases. मैंने यहाँ पर I have used that toast message over here. You can open any screen over here. ठीक है, यू कैन परफॉर्म एनी टाइप ऑफ ए फ्रेगमेंट, या कोई भी स्क्रीन को डिवाइड करके यू कैन शो एनीथिंग। आप कोई लिंक के साथ उसको ओपन कर सकते हो, ठीक है। आप कोई यू कैन ओपन सम अनदर एप्लीकेशन ओवर हियर, यू कैन यूज दैट द कंसेप्ट ऑफ इंटेंट ओवर हियर। तो ये सारी चीजें आप वहां पर बता सकते हो। इज इट फाइन? ठीक है, सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग simple text over here. So और लास्ट मेरे पास ऑप्शन क्या थी? That is the contact part. Fine, student? Yes. This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, और फाइनली अब जब रिटर्न आपने कर दिया, ठीक है, यू हैव डिफाइंड ऑल दोस केसेस ओवर हियर, तो फाइनली वी नीड टू रिटर्न द रिटर्न, ठीक है, वो सो वी आर जस्ट रिटर्न ऑन पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन दैट वी नीड टू सिलेक्ट, सो दैट इज सुपर, ठीक है, डॉट ऑन ऑप्शंस आइटम सिलेक्टेड, ठीक है। तो कौन सी आइटम है हमारे पास? वी कैन यूज विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट ओवर हियर। फाइन बेटे? Yes, student. You understood this? So this is a simple part of a action bar that you need two methods over here. One is on create option menu that will just inflate your that menu bar on your activity screen. Okay. And next one is the on option item selected that will tell you that in order to decide on that particular option, how you can, which option should be selected over here. So ये दो methods बस याद रखना. ठीक है, so this is quite interesting one if you want to make some particular application and you need to just show some items on your that action bar over here, so you can use this concept over there. Fine, so I just show you the that particular I am having that particular action bar with me, same action bar is available. So meanwhile I just build this program, but I just show you. So this is the action example. You can see, just wait for a while. Okay, so I am just clicking on this particular menu bar. ठीक है, so when I will press this settings part, ठीक है, तो आपका toast में से नीचे आ गया. So when I will click again, I am selecting this about part and I am getting that particular toast message. ठीक है, so these are the different items that we have created, that is settings, about, and this particular last one is the that contact details over here. ठीक है, तो these all are the items things over here and you can select on that particular item. हमने अब कोई बटन ही यूज किया है इसमें, ठीक है, because we are working under that particular action bar menu bar over here, so we can directly create that items और उस item के अंदर you can perform any of the task. Okay student, this is clear? Kindly acknowledge me.
Yes.
समझ लगी
Yes,
ये क्या चीज है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can use this particular
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
if you want to create
Yes,
some particular action bar over here. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों चीजें थी जो इम्पोर्टेंट थी आज के लिए. सो कैन वी हैव ब्रेक रिगार्डिंग दिस पोल, और उसके बाद आई कैन शो यू दैट बार्स ओवर हियर. करें स्टार्ट एक पोल? ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, student, I'm going to launch the first poll with you. ठीक है, so there are total 3 polls. The very first poll is regarding the image switcher and the another poll is regarding the action bar. So kindly give answers accordingly. Going to end the poll. Yes, students, I'm going to end the poll. So I'm sharing results with you. Okay, so the first question was that for what purpose we use this image switcher. So obviously we require this image switcher to enable the image to be displayed with animations. So when we require the concept of animation, at that time we require this image switcher part. Okay, and it also require allow you to add some transition over the images. Okay, so without animation it will not work. It will work with the animation and with some transitions also. Okay, so last option is correct, D part. Option A and C are the correct options. So next was that set factory method of image switcher provides the implementation of, that is set image resource interface, view factory interface, or a set animation. So right option is the view factory interface. So why we require view factory interface? That will load all those images on your screen over there. Okay, so it will see that whatever the method you require, or it will work accordingly. Is it clear? Shall I move to the next poll?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sharing another poll with you that is based on this action bar. Yes, you can give your answers. Okay, students, I am going to end the poll. Okay, so I am sharing results with you. Okay, so you can see over here the first question was that to specify the option menu for an activity we also obviously we use on create options menu. So second option is the right one. Okay, and this menu second question was that menu.xml file will be displayed in, so that is available in resource. Again we have that is available in resource dot menu file over here. It is not like menu or resource or layout or menu. So the first option is the right answer. Clear? Chalo. Okay, students. So this was regarding this particular. Yes, Gagan.
Ma'am, how we can change the icon for the menu bar?
Sorry, which icon? वो 3 dots वाला?
Yes, ma'am. वो lines भी तो हुई हैं कई बार.
नहीं, lines
Lines
तो
होती
नहीं
हैं.
आती.
नहीं, कई बार 3 lines जैसे Google Classroom में साइड बार में देखो तो वहाँ पे 3 lines होती हैं.
नहीं, वो उनका अलग होगा प्लेटफॉर्म. इसमें नहीं है ऐसा. डॉट्स वाला नहीं है.
वैसे
I
शायद
can just check that particular thing. ठीक है, मैं बताऊंगी, पर मैंने अभी तक किया नहीं ऐसा, और neither I have seen that change of the dots file over here. ठीक है,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
just
Yes, ma'am.
check you and tell you later.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक. Okay, students, now we will there are 3 bars that we will discuss over here. ठीक है, तो आपको bars पता होंगे, जैसे spin bar is there, rating bar is there. ठीक है, so we are having horizontal bar over here. So these are also the part of your, like we are having different views over here, or we can use this different components of user that can be displayed on the screen. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या है, हम ना पहला we will discuss that is the progress bar. So again that progress bar is one of the, we can say that this is one of the component that is available with us, and we have this लवन नेट चला गया, नेट बंद हो गया ही. Yes, student, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are having this progress bar over here, and we have that button and the text view is there. Simply, ठीक है, तो हमने ये 3 components that we have used. हमने simply हमने क्या किया progress bar के लिए. So these are some of the simple concepts, but we just tried कि हम बच्चों we just tell you so that you can use all those things over here. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या किया, we just create the object of this progress bar. ठीक है, and we need to find that particular ID as we were doing earlier. तो हमारे पास simply हमारे पास क्या है, that we will just use that simple progress bar. ठीक है, and we use that set visibility method over here. ठीक है, so that will be just progress bar will just show you on that particular screen over there. So directly you can use this progress bar. ठीक है, and you create the object of that particular progress bar over here, and you use that method, that is a set visibility method. So that will make that particular progress bar, or we can say that spin bar, that will be available on your screen. Okay, so I just show you that particular progress bar or the spin bar we are talking about. Okay, मैं अभी बताती हूँ आपको. If you the code is visible on your screen, okay, you can see over here we have simply used this progress bar over here. Okay, and what we require that when that button will start upon, okay, so we will start that particular button over here, और हमारे पास हम simply उस button को जब click करेंगे तो simply what will be there, we will can see that visibility of that progress bar. ठीक है, तो I just show you that spin bar. ठीक है, so you just wait over here. Clear? So you can see over here, this is the button, simply button. We are having a text view here. You can remove the text view. So I just show you that I will click on this particular button. So you can see this progress bar. Okay, so this is a visibility, that how you can showing that particular visibility over here. Similarly, you can use that stop method in order to just deactivate this particular bar over here. ठीक है, अब इसमें ये main XML में क्या किया है, like button we have given some this we can say that a color combination we have given. And similarly for this progress bar also, so you can set all those attributes according to your choice. ठीक है, so ठीक है, ये visibility हमने set कर दी थी, and it will tell you that for how much time it will be visible. So but it will be visible only when if you press that button. ठीक है, तो ये सारी हमारे पास विजिबिलिटी है, वो यू कैन सेट योर डिफरेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स ओवर हियर, लाइक हॉरिजॉन्टल है, ट्रू है, ठीक है, मार्जिन सेट कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन डिसाइड अपॉन ऑल दोस थिंग्स दैट यू रिक्वायर फॉर दिस एट्रीब्यूट्स फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्रेस बार. एनी डाउट? यस स्टूडेंट्स, हेलो.
No, ma'am.
ये सिंपली एक प्रोग्रेस बार में हमने वी आर डायरेक्टली यूजिंग दैट प्रोग्रेस बार ओवर हियर, एंड व्हाट आई हैव डन ऑन द क्लिक ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्रेस बार, आई हैव सेट दैट विजिबिलिटी ऑफ दैट प्रोग्रेस बार, दैट इज व्यू डॉट विजिबल. ठीक है, सो इट विल जस्ट सिंपली शो दैट पर्टिकुलर बार ऑन योर स्क्रीन, दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रोग्रेस बार बोलो या स्पिन बार बोलो, सो इट विल मूव अकॉर्डिंगली. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है, नेक्स्ट बार इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल बार वी आर हैविंग. ठीक है, बिफोर दैट एच बार आई जस्ट शो यू दैट रेटिंग बार. ठीक है, सिंपली जैसे हम रेट्स करते हैं ना, स्टार्स वगैरह हमारे पास आते हैं, सिमिलरली वी आर आल्सो हैविंग दैट रेटिंग बार ओवर हियर. फॉर दिस रेटिंग बार आल्सो अगेन वी हैव यूज्ड थ्री like वो components over here. One is the rating bar, then is the button, and the last one is the text view over here. ठीक है, so last one is the text view over here. So this is according to your choice, but directly we can use this rating bar also. ठीक है, हमने क्या किया, simply rating bar है, we have find that particular bars over here for this rating bar. ठीक है, and what we are doing over here, what we want that when I will click on that particular button, ठीक है, तो हमारे पास number of stars, जैसे stars की rating आती है ना हमारे पास, 3 स्टार 4 स्टार, तो आई कैन गेट दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टार्स ओवर हियर. ठीक है, तो हमने उसको रेटिंग बार के वी आर यूजिंग दिस टू मेथड्स ओवर हियर, दैट इज गेट नंबर ऑफ स्टार्स, गेट नम स्टार्स, एंड गेट रेटिंग. These are the two methods that we can use in order to show that star rating on our screen. ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें, सिंपल हमने रेटिंग बार, टेक्स्ट व्यू सिंपली यूज किया, बटन, एंड सिंपली व्हाट वी हैव डन दैट व्हेन वी विल क्लिक ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर बटन, तो हमारे पास उसका रेट, द नंबर ऑफ स्टार्स दैट वी आर गेटिंग वी कैन शो ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्क्रीन ओवर देयर. ठीक है, तो आई जस्ट अगेन शो यू दैट पर्टिकुलर रेटिंग बार. ओके, सो आई जस्ट शो यू माय स्क्रीन. So like ये ना थोड़ा setting change हो गई है, you can set according to your, like we have one button over here that is get rating. ठीक है, तो अगर I am just clicking on this particular ओहो ये चीज विजिबल नहीं है, I just okay, there is some problem regarding that constraints over here. So Okay, student, one thing that more I need to share with you, I actually last time we have make one video on this layouts concept. Okay, so as such it is not mentioned in your syllabus, so I just share one video with you. Okay, that video is and one PPT is there that is showing you giving you information regarding this layouts part. Okay, so I will be sharing that layout video. So that is a simple concept that where we are using relative, constraint and all those things. So you can just go through that particular layout portion over there. ठीक है? So is it fine? तो आप ये करके देख लेना कि we have different layouts. As such, it is not mentioned in syllabus, but we feel like that the student must understand that whatever the different layouts we can use in this Android. Clear? Yes, students. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एक सेकेंड मैंने दोबारा उसको बिल्ड कर रही हूँ. Some problem was there. Let's see कि वो sort out हो जाए. Otherwise,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, meanwhile, you just share with me any problem regarding today's lecture. All these were the small concepts that you need to understand. ठीक है? तो I hope कि आपको थोड़ा clear हो गया हो कुछ चीजें that how we can use all these things. Like action bar was there and we have that image switcher part is there. So this is just the only drawback of this particular Android part that we have to wait for some time. So that's why we prefer कि आपको थोड़ा maximum काम we can show through implementation and some of the things we just make you understand and let you understand the code easily. Okay, student, actually, I think some problem is there. So you just try this particular part, okay? ये चल पड़ेगा आपका. मुझे लगता है कुछ constraints में settings थोड़ी सी change हो गई हैं. So I need to set all these settings over here. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ये है इतना सही ये code है. Some problems are I think there is in some constraints part. ये ना क्रैश हो रही है. I just check it afterwards and let you know. Okay. So ये मैं आपको चेक करके ना दोबारा इस चीज के बारे में I will show you. But otherwise it is working. I think some problem is in the constraint part over here. Okay. And the last portion that we need to discuss in today's lecture is that is the H bar. Okay, so H bar is what, like this is a horizontal bar that we just see the progress of that particular bar over here. Okay, so progress bar, this is also one of the type of your progress bar. Okay, but how we use in the form of a this H bar over here, horizontal bar इसको बोलते हैं. Like when you click something, so you get that message of loading part. ठीक है, तो वो जो बार हिलती रहती है ना आपकी धीरे 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 से, that will tell you that that particular file is being loaded. तो वो चीज किसके थ्रू आती है? That is through this H bar only. ठीक है, तो again we are having this progress bar and we have some text view over here and finally we have some button over here. अब इस केस में progress bar में what we require over here, we require the concept of a threads over here because it is a little progress that is being occurring, and who manages all those things, that is through the with the help of a thread we need to use all this. ठीक है, तो we just update our progress bar and display the current value in the text view over here. So we can see over here, like we are using this. Okay, so this particular bar is available to us and we can see that how this particular thing we can see using the text view. So simply हमारे पास slash डाल के कि हाँ हमारे पास like we have set the value till the 100 bar. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास 100 आ गया, तो जितना 100% means that is the completely the whatever the things you need to download वो आपका complete हो गया. Otherwise it will, where you stop that particular thing, it will show you that current this remaining portion, like we get message 76% is being downloaded and this one is left. So it will show you that part in the form of this progress bar only. Okay, so we just, what we are using over here, we are using some handler concept of a handler that will handle that particular thread over there. Okay, so we have just the thing that you need to remember over here, that we require one handler over here, and the object of this handler, what it will do, it will just see the progress of that particular part. Okay, so we are using that thread concept and we will make that thread runnable, and when we will start that particular process, the handler object will just post that message that this much amount of part has been uploaded or downloaded. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें किसमें आएंगी हमारे पास? प्रोग्रेस बार के अंदर आ जाएंगी. दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर H bar. Similarly, we need to try all this thing just to check out that if there is any type of interrupted exception. जैसे आप को डाउनलोड कर रहे हो, आपका नेट कनेक्शन इज देयर, वो डिसेबल हो गया है, तो योर डाउनलोड पोर्शन विल बी interrupted at that time. So who will handle all these things? That is your interrupted exception over here. ठीक है, और finally we need to you start that particular thread unless until we can get that method over message over here. तो अब ये similarly I just show you one example. Again, I think that constraints are not according to my this mobile phone. So there must be some visibility problem, but you can set it on your screens over here. ठीक है, so जैसे ये H bar है, ठीक है, ये लाइन जैसे आती है ना हमारे पास which download, I'm just starting this progress. So it is not visible over here. I will set all this constraint and you can see that this number are also being shown and this is your bar being progress. And once it will reach at this end part, so 100 by 100 message will be shown over there. Okay, so get maximum, say we can get that value, that is 100 part over here, and it will show you that value over there. Clear? So I just try to show you that particular output part. So I will just set this constraint and I will show you that images, that how it is working, because I am attaching my mobile phone with this particular thing. So some problem of constraints are there, I guess. Okay. Okay, student, this is fine for today lecture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ा H बार का है, ये बार्स हैं सिंपली हमारे पास, हॉरिजॉन्टल बार, स्पिन बार और स्पिन बार एंड दैट हॉरिजॉन्टल बार, these are the part of your that progress bar. ठीक है, and similarly we have a rating bar over here. Clear? Rating bar is somehow different, some different component is there, but it works according to that bars only. But spin bar and horizontal bar are the part of your progress bar. ठीक है. So either you can show it in the form of a spin जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया, or you can show it in the form of a horizontal bar over there. Is it clear? Yes, student. Are you satisfied with topics?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is only in my case, I don't know how this thing was not done. Like there is a problem of constraints in my output. So you just set your constraint. Your everything will be visible on your screen. ठीक है? तो मैं आपको next time इसके output दोबारा से बता दूंगी that how this thing are visible. So okay, there is one last poll according to this user interface part. So I just want to share that poll with you. So kindly answer the questions. Okay. So I am sharing some last poll with you. Okay, students, I am going to end the poll. Okay, the very first question is that in which directory XML layout files are stored. So I hope till now you have understood that XML layout files are available in your this resource slash layout files. Okay, so action bars can be associated with only activities. So you can use this concept of action bar, okay, with only this activities portion over here. Okay. Third question was that button option can be choose from the which of the following category. So we have used that widgets over here. Okay, so button is the part of your widgets part. So what is contained, the third option is the right one. So what is contained within the layout XML file? So obviously we don't require to give permission through this, and we don't require any strings over here. And what we require over here in this particular part is the orientation and the layout. Okay. So A portion is the right answer. So most of the students have given the right answer. So if you have done this poll according to your knowledge, and then it is quite well and good. So just try to answer all these polls without any external help, because this is just a brainstorming for you, that whatever the things you have understood so far, so it will help you to gain knowledge accordingly. Okay. Okay, student, this is fine for today lecture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I just request you to implement, please implement all these codes that we have already discussed in the last lecture and in the current lecture. So it will hardly take you 1-2 days for like you can implement all these things, because that will help you if you feel like any problem, because unless and until you don't implement all these codes, you won't be able to solve out all those problems. तो अभी तो सिर्फ हम छोटा छोटा पार्ट करवा रहे हैं, and you just implement all these parts so that when you will make your projects, it will you will be using all these things only. Okay. And I just frankly say to you, I'm very much eagerly waiting for your class projects, because I am expecting a lot of good projects from your class. So I hope that you will be implementing all those things in a more sincere way. So is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Gagan and Abhinav is there. Abhinav, you just discuss with your class that from next Tuesday. So I just want we can have 1 hour session or a 40-minute session in which students can discuss problems with me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So Abhinav, by evening, just remember me. I will be sharing all this code with you. ठीक है, तो मैं अगेन आपको ड्राइव बना कर दें, एंड यू जस्ट इमीडिएटली पास ऑल दिस कोड्स टू योर क्लासमेट्स सो दैट दे कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट विद दिस बेसिक पार्ट एंड दे कैन फर्दर एक्सपैंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स.
मैम.
हाँ जी.
यस मैम. मैम रिक्वेस्ट थी कि ट्राई करना अगर आपका लेक्चर ड्राइव में मिल जाए तो.
कब मिल जाए
मैम? जैसे आप नोट्स ड्राइव में भेज रहे हो ना,
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
हमें जैसे नोट्स दे रहे हो तो कोशिश करना अगर लेक्चर मिल जाए तो. क्योंकि ऐसे. यस मैम, अगर मिल जाए तो कोशिश करना.
चलो ठीक है, मैं करती हूँ कोशिश. आई जस्ट ट्राई. ठीक है.
यस मैम. मैम एक और बात.
बोलो.
अगर प्रोजेक्ट छोटा सा ले लें तो कोई बात तो नहीं. छोटा सा
प्रोजेक्ट छोटा बनाओ, जैसा मर्जी बनाओ, बट इट शुड बी मेड बाय यू पीपल ओनली. इतना छोटा ना करो कि आप यू जस्ट स्टार्टिंग वन एक्टिविटी एंड यू आर ओपनिंग द अनदर एक्टिविटी. दैट आई डोंट वांट. दिस इज नॉट ए प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है, आप एक एक्टिविटी से दूसरी एक्टिविटी खोल रहे हो, दैट इज नॉट ए प्रोजेक्ट. जस्ट try to show something that is a project is basically what that you are just implementing some complex part over here. ठीक है, or any execution part is there. Opening one activity from a current activity, that is not a project. That is just one of the method that how you can operate between the different screens. बच्चे ऐसा कर लेते हैं.
मैम हमने एक्चुअली स्टॉप वॉच बारे सोचा था.
जो मर्जी बनाओ, बट इट शुड बी सम पार्ट ऑफ सम एप्लीकेशन. वो लगनी चाहिए कि हाँ आपने कुछ एप्लीकेशन की है. एंड आई जस्ट टेल यू कि इफ यू स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग ऑल दोस थिंग, आप में खुद इंटरेस्ट आएगा कि हम कुछ बड़ी चीज बनाएं इसमें. स्टॉप वॉच कर लो, बट वो तो एक वही बार लग जाएगा, उसमें आप शो कर दोगे बस. उसको किसी फॉर्म में लेकर आओ, कोई गेम की फॉर्म में या किसी की फॉर्म में. दैट विल हेल्प यू आउट.
ओके.
ठीक है, एटलीस्ट 2-4 चीजें आपने यूज की हो ना. ये नहीं कि अकेला एक बार लगाकर यू आर शोइंग, और एनी एग्जांपल आई कैन टेक. एक एक्टिविटी से यू आर ओपनिंग एक्टिविटी, दैट इज नॉट ए प्रोजेक्ट. आप बोलो कि हाँ मैंने ये बटन लगा दिया, इस बटन से मैं वो यूट्यूब का लिंक खोल रहा हूँ, दैट इज नॉट बिट इट द प्रोजेक्ट. इट इज ठीक है, अभी जो नेक्स्ट काम रह गया ना उसमें हम आपको क्या बताएंगे, दैट वी विल टेल यू दैट हाउ वी कैन ओपन करंट एप्लीकेशन, गूगल मैप्स हो गए, है ना, हमारे पास आगे सर्विसेज कैसे शुरू कर सकते हैं वो सारे, और लास्ट में हमारे पास आएगा वो डेटाबेस वाला पार्ट कि वेयर वी कैन स्टोर ऑल दोस थिंग्स। बस इंटरनल स्टोरेज को कैसे मैनेज किया जा सकता है, एक्सटर्नल को कैसे किया जा सकता है। इज इट फाइन? Yes, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have lot of time. You have full 2 months with you. April, March, अगर classes देखते हैं, let's see what decision come out after this 30th April. But otherwise you will be having, अगर 30th April के लग भी जाते तो most of the syllabus आपका खत्म हो जाएगा 30th तक। 30th के बाद थोड़ा सा ही concept रह जाएंगे। So you have a full 15 days or a full month with is with you. You can just think upon all those things and you just implement all those things. Okay. Okay, students, thank you very much. Thank you for your patience listening. And I always wait for any type of a query. So before handling all those query, I just prefer कि I just pass you all those study materials so that you can try it afterwards also. Okay. So thank you, bache. Thank you very much.